This is San Mamés robot. Its name is Watchy Watchy. It's very big and it's half a lion and half a girl. The girl has got a green eye and the lion has got a brown eye. It can spell all San Mamés in a day. It always cheers up athletic club, but she never goes to school. She sometimes listens to an MP3 player. It's very funny. By Maider.
Here is my robot. He's a minion, and his name is Wanchin. He's got glasses. His legs are very short, but he's got a long face. He can play football, dance, study, and play computer games. He always dances and studies, but he sometimes plays football. Uses webcam and surfs the internet. He never uses other technology. He's very nice. Bye, Ainise.
This is my robot. He's a dinosaur, and his name is Dinotren. He can throw fire. He always plays with me. He sometimes eats other dinosaurs, but he never has a shower. Bye, Mighty.
Snake. My robot is Snake. He's got blue eyes and a big mouth. He plays football and he plays an MP3 player. He sometimes reads emails, but he never goes to school. Bye, Andoni.
Here is my robot. She's a Kovacat and his name is Dina. She's got blue eyes and short hair. She can run fast, dance, jump and play. She can cry. Dina likes music. She sometimes takes photos and sends text messages. She writes emails. She always draws and uses a computer. She never uses a webcam. Bye, Isaro.
Unti. Here is my robot. He's a kangaroo and his name is Unti. He's got long legs and blue eyes. He can run fast and jump very high. He always listens to an MP3 player. He sometimes uses a computer. He never uses a webcam and reads emails. He often surfs the internet and logs into a computer. He is fantastic. Bye, Iker.
My robot's name is Charkas. He's a gorilla and a horse. He's got red eyes, big hairs, 3 long legs, long tail, short hands and 4 arms. He can create what you want and he can fly. He always listens to music with me. He sometimes reads a web page and uses a webcam. He never logs into a computer and he takes photos. My robot is cool. By Beñat.
Beautiful eyes. Here is my robot. She's a penguin and her name is Beautiful Eyes. She's got black eyes and long ears. She can swim and fly. She always writes emails. She sometimes plays computer games. She never reads a web page. My robot is very cool. By Garasi.
My robot is a humanoid and his name is SRA. He's got brown eyes and it's got muscles. He can play football and takes photos, but he can write emails. He always surfs the internet and listens to an MP3 player. He sometimes plays computer games and goes on to a computer, but he never goes to school and use a webcam. By Asier.
My robot. This is my robot. He's a humanoid and his
name is Isot. He's got sunglasses. He white and isn't got hairs. He can play football, basketball, and tennis. He always sends text messages. She sometimes playing computer game. He never goes to school. My robot is fantastic. By such.
Here is my robot. She's a woman cat and his name is Nana. She's got brown and green eyes and brown hair. She can jump, run and dance. Nana always listens to an MP3 player, but she sometimes takes photos. She never uses a webcam. She's always with her friends. By Yuri.
My robot is Pencil Case. He's got blue eyes and small ears. He can play football and dance. He always plays computer games, but he sometimes listens to music. He never reads a web page. My robot is cool. By Kerman.
Bobby, my robot is Bobby. Bobby is hypo. I can play with a ball and take photos, protect to a house and write mails. His red eyes and black nose. He can listen to an MP3 player and jumps. He can brown hair. He always writes emails and he sometimes reads the web page. He never watches the DVD, but he often takes photos. But my robot is cool. By Ilenia.
Here is my robot. She's a dog, and her name is Picara21. She's got long hair and blue eyes. She can write emails. She always dances and listens to MP3 player. She sometimes plays football. And she sometimes goes to school. By Paula.
My robot. Here is my robot. She's cat and his name is Mori Free Hunter. She can cat animals. She always plays computer games. She sometimes listens to an MP3 player. She never read a webpage. By Naya.
Clovelin. My robot's name is Clovelin. She's got pink long hair and she's got yellow eyes. She hasn't got a green body. She's got a black body. She's got long green left arm and she's got a short grey right arm. She's got a long curly brown left leg and she's got a long purple right leg. But she hasn't got big feet. She's got short feet. She can play computer games, read a web page, and she can spy people. By Unai.
The Speedy is a bird robot. By Epson. Is similar a bird. It's got a blue body and green eyes. It can fly or jump and it always plays computer games with me. It sometimes logs into a computer. It can write emails. It doesn't play football. It hates football. By Loredana.
We are the robots.